Hello friends, my name is Rudin. You're watching me on TechMerize. Today we have a different video. We are going to do a do-it-yourself project and we'll be creating a smartphone 3D hologram projector from the things we will find at our home. So if you are interested, let's jump in. For this project you need two transparent CD cases and a scissor, a pencil, cello tape and a cutter. And last, you need a scale. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you really like this video, please share it with your friends also. Before you go, don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye, have a nice day ahead. See you on the next video.